guys, Cheryl Aniyahan here. For today, I want to show you how to cook without water using Saladmaster. But I want to do a comparison too. So for today, we'll be using a stainless steel cookware and a stone dine cookware. And of course, our Saladmaster 1.5 quart. So all of this cookware are roughly the same size. We'll cook it at the same temperature and the same time. So what we're gonna do is, I want to show you how to cook broccoli but without water because vegetable has enough moisture. What we're gonna do is just wash it properly and we'll put it straight to the cookware. So after washing the broccoli, the cookwares are cold. We are putting a bowl of broccoli in each one. So roughly the same amount. This is in my Saladmaster, stone dine, non-stick. We'll cover them. I'll set the temperature. This is induction stove, so I'll use medium heat. I'll use number 7 for each and every cookware. And then I'll set the time for 5 minutes and see what's gonna happen. After about 3 minutes, you will hear the clicking in Saladmaster, so I'll turn it down to low. And in the other cookware, that's the difference. There's no temperature control. And it's very important in cooking vegetables because high heat is the #1 enemy to nutrition. We only need to cook our vegetables at 90 degrees Celsius. Above that, we'll start to cook away the nutrition in our food. And that's the main difference. So when you cook in Saladmaster, it's on low heat. You can do other things in your house. You don't need to be here because the temperature is so low. Unlike other cookware, you really have to be here. Otherwise, you will burn the food because there's no guide, there's no control. So you have to really check once in a while and keep on stirring your food. And in ordinary cookware like the stainless steel, as you can see, the steam is coming out. So, you know, oxidation happens when light and air goes into a food. And now I can smell the broccoli. When you smell your food, it's like some nutrition coming out of your cookware already. Oxidation is one of the enemy to proper nutrition. So, after 5 minutes, let's see what happened to our broccoli. This is from Saladmaster. This is from non-stick, stone dine. So this is from Saladmaster, stainless steel, stone dine. This is the reason why in ordinary cookware, in ordinary cooking, you need water because you will burn your vegetables. And in Saladmaster, there's a temperature control, so you can lower the heat and it will cook your vegetable perfectly. And when you taste the food, definitely it's sweeter because you control the temperature during cooking. You can actually try this at home. And if you found this video informative, why don't you share it to your friends? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!